Hello, spin enthusiasts. As you can see, I am coming to you from the beautiful new GuardCloset warehouse here in Missouri. We do have some inventory, although most of the shelves are still empty because we just opened. So if you want to sell your stuff on GuardCloset, send it to me and we'll get these shelves filled up. I can't wait to show you the progress we make as we get all of the shelves filled up and get this place rocking with all of your consignment equipment that you sell through us and get money back for your program. And yeah, you can always order consignment from us to help other schools and also to make sure that you get cheap equipment too, so that you're not spending full price all the time. If you do need new stuff, of course, we also have that on our website. In fact, that's actually what I'm here to talk to you about today, because I just received this beautiful new promo for the Mix and Max bag from StylePlus. Mix and Max, it just kind of rolls off the tongue, doesn't it? Let's break into this baby. So I'm going to go ahead and open her up and show you what this new bag is all about. It's really cool. And I wish I would have had this whenever I was in Guard, because I did have a little day duffel and it just wasn't quite big enough. And like if I put my shoes in, then I couldn't fit all of the makeup I wanted to bring and all that sort of stuff. So this is what every performer needs, because this is the coolest thing. So let's get this box out of the way. I have only seen this on promos, so getting to actually see it in real life is really cool. So here's what it looks like. It's folded up. It's pretty small. So if you wanted to like bring it as an extra bag and throw it in a larger bag, if you're going on a big trip, like to Dayton or something, that's an option. So the thing about this that is so amazingly cool is that the way it folds out. So I start like this and I open it up like this, and this looks surprisingly familiar, doesn't it? Well, it should, because it's actually a garment bag. Look at this thing. It has a hook, or a little loop, I guess, not a hook. You can add a hook to it, and I wouldn't be surprised if it comes with one. But anyway, there's a loop up here. You hang it by this, and then you have a zipper right down the middle. So if I pull up this Velcro, I open the pocket, and there's this zipper right down the middle. And boom, there's your costume in the bag, okay? In the bag, separate from everything else that you have in your bag. And not only that, it's held completely flat, because this is a garment bag, okay? So the other thing that's really cool about this being a garment bag is normally if you have a garment bag that's shorter than your uniform, let's say you have a big long flowing dress or something, it will not, like, it'll bunch up at the bottom. Well, with this, you lay it flat, you put your garment in, and then you can fold the longer part up. Because of the next thing I'm about to show you, it will keep your garment like nice and smooth and flat. But while we're here, let's just look at some of the other stuff really quick. So I've got a little zipper pocket here, a little mesh zipper pocket. Very nice if you need things to dry out or whatever. I got a little like cell phone type of pocket here. I got another little mesh zipper pocket. And then these are just kind of your basic duffel bag pockets that you always get. There's a really long pocket up here. I'm not sure what I would throw in there, like that's specifically this long, but I'm thinking like you could throw some makeup in there. Maybe you could throw some guard tape in there. But really, I'd probably throw some guard tape in one of the outer pockets. All right, now, on these flaps here, I've got an elastic pocket on this end. And then on this side, I have a shoe pocket that you access from the outside. When they started doing this, brilliant, okay? It was an absolutely brilliant design choice to start putting shoe pockets on the inside to keep your shoes separate from all the rest of your stuff. Okay, so let's say I got my costume all zipped in there, all ready to go. Then I'm going to take these sides and flip them up, and I'm going to flip the end up like so, and there's a zipper. So I'm gonna pull these up and show you how this zips together. It's a little bit stiff still, and I'm also trying to like do it where you can see it. If I just do it in front of myself, it would actually be really super easy to do. Okay, so you can see here, I zip it up here all the way to the top there. All right, and then I'll just do the other side. You know what it looks like when I zip up a zipper. So I'm just going to turn it so I can zip it as easily as possible. Now, once I get both of these zippers done up, there's a buckle to buckle the two zipper toggles together. So you can see that there. Now, so I'm kind of acting like I've seen this before. I haven't. I've seen promos. Like I said, this is my first time actually like opening this and looking at it. However, those of you who've been following me for a minute know that I have had a couple of kids in the last few years. And look at me trying to show you again. I've had a couple of kids in the last few years, and I've been, trying to plan for that, trying to plan for things like, staying in the hospital. And one of the bags that I looked at the most seriously was a bag that literally does this. It's a bag that was made for postpartum moms that is essentially a garment bag, and you keep like your hospital gown in the garment bag, or you keep like your nice clothes that you want to leave the hospital in. You keep those in the garment bag portion, and then you throw all your hospital gear in the main compartment of the bag. However, the bags I was looking at that are like priced toward moms going to the hospital to have their babies are like 3 times the price of this. And the material, not nearly as solid as this nylon is. Okay, so I've buckled my zippers on the ends, and then the top basically just has a jacket zipper. So this is a zipper like you would have on your coat. And so you just got to feed the little thing. My 4-year-old calls this buttoning his zipper. So you button the zipper at the bottom, zip it up, voila. It's a duffel bag. I mean, it is a duffel bag. This is like your normal going to a color guard competition duffel bag. And this thing is massive, but it's not too big to fit under your bus seat. Like, I would have taken this to Blue Stars with me when I marched. The one I took with me was much smaller. And I didn't have enough snacks on the bus ever. I was always mooching snacks. But it's fair, because I was the only guard girl who had scissors on the bus, and everybody was constantly stealing those. On the outside, Velcro, 2 pockets, so you got access to stuff here. You also have a luggage strap. So if you're marching DCI this summer and you're like, I have rolling luggage that I need to put under the bus, and I just want a bag that's going to be able to fit underneath my seat and go on top of my rolling luggage, boom, baby, right there. This can also go together, because this is just a detail that those of you who are a little bit type A like me like to have your straps Velcroed together like that. So yeah, so this is, again, this is the Mix and Max bag by StylePlus. I love it. I'm probably going to use it. Thank you so much, StylePlus. I'm probably going to use it for my own personal traveling. Oh, I totally forgot to show you the shoe pocket. So here we have ventilation ports and a zipper. And this is where the shoes go. And they are inside the duffel, but they're kept separate from everything else. So you don't have dirty floor shoes touching your costume or your makeup, whatever you want to put on your face, or your snacks or whatever. I kind of want to see how many bottles of Gatorade I could fit in this. I don't have any Gatorade with me. So if you guys want to send me some Gatorade, I don't even drink Gatorade anymore, to be honest. I drink Body Armor constantly. But this is the Mix and Max bag. I am absolutely in love with it. I am going to use it for my own traveling. So whenever you see me at Dayton or Indianapolis or wherever you see me next, I mean, Springfield, Missouri, maybe, ask me how my bag is doing, because It's going to be a good time.